This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes once again. Our number is plus 917696734256, and today we are discussing about the reading. So I have not read the question. So let's see if something like this comes in exam, how to do it, and how to think whether this is the right question to be done in the first round. Means there are few questions which are difficult that you need to leave in the first round to save the time. Saving time is very important. If the question is difficult, do not attempt it in the first round. So there are three steps. First step is to read the question. This extract informs us that multidisciplinary care is. So basically, this extract, they want to ask the definition of this multidisciplinary care according to this extract. So they are asking about the definition. So question I have understood. So step one is done. Step two is to read the paragraph, multidisciplinary care. Given the increasing complexity of the resident care needs combined with the care for a palliative approach, a to care delivery suggests that adoption of a multidisciplinary team approach to the care planning and delivery is required. So basically, this is also one of the definition because it is saying multidisciplinary team approach is required. That means ये चाहिए होती है. यानी कि multidisciplinary team कब चाहिए होती है? जब complexity of the resident care needs हो combined with the call for a palliative approach. यानी कि जब patient को palliative approach के साथ साथ कॉम्बिनेशन में जब रेजिडेंट्स की कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी बढ़ जाए तो मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच चाहिए होती है. सो वन इज दिस, वन डेफिनेशन इज दिस. Second, multidisciplinary care is the vehicle for providing an integrated team approach to the provision of the health care, and this occurs when the medical, nursing, and allied professional consider all the treatment options, including all the potential benefits and the disadvantages of the treatment decision, personal preference of the resident, and the collaborative develop an individual care plan that best meet the needs of the resident and their family. So this is very tough paragraph. So in the step 2, I can understand that this is a difficult question. So in this case, in these questions like these, I already prepare my mind. If I am unable to understand and relate it to the options, अगर मैं इसको जल्दी नहीं कर पाया, तो जैसा मैम ने पूछा था ये वैसा ही क्वेश्चन है जिसको हम फर्स्ट राउंड में छोड़ छोड़ सकते हैं. क्योंकि पैराग्राफ पढ़ते ही स्टेप 2 में मेरे को पता लग गया that the question was easy, step 1 was easy. Basically it was asking about the definition, लेकिन step 2 में मेरे को पता लग रहा है it is very difficult to read because it is a complicated language. So I will read it once only. तो यहाँ से पता लग गया ये vehicle है for providing this and this ताकि individual care needs can be met. There is a compelling evidence. So now the third line, there is a compelling evidence to suggest that a multidisciplinary approach to care helps to enhance the residents' quality of life by addressing the problems. So now it is telling about the advantage of multidisciplinary, that it helps to enhance the quality of the life by addressing the problems that are of the most concern to the resident. So resident की जो main problem होती है, these are reduces ambiguity around the treatment and the goals of care, ensures that the care decisions are based on the best evidence-based practice. So it provides the best care. Now I will go to the option quickly because the question is difficult. So in exam, I have already understood this question is wasting my time और ये मेरा first question of part B. So I will be feeling very anxious. मुझे बड़ा डर लग रहा होगा यार ये क्वेश्चन पहला ही इतना मुश्किल है यार, आज तो मेरी रीडिंग बड़ी मुश्किल है, ऐसे थॉट्स आएंगे. लेकिन अगेन आई हैव टू मेक इट सिंपल. तो एक्सट्रैक्ट इन्फॉर्म करता है मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी केयर क्या होता है. सो फर्स्ट गिवन द, अब मैं ऑप्शन पढ़ता हूँ, असेंशियल टू टैकल द इंक्रीजिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सनेस ऑफ द रेजिडेंट्स केयर नीड्स. सो दिस इज मैचिंग विद दिस थिंग, that multidisciplinary care is essential to tackle the increasing complexness, this word is matching, of the resident care needs. So this word is matching. But this combined option is not given, so it is half given. So I can say this can be right and this can be wrong. Again, I don't have much time in the exam, I won't waste it. Enhancing the residents' quality of life to meet the needs of residents. So the second option is enhancing the residents' quality. So I will try to find this word, enhancing the residents' quality of life. So I am after the word quality of life. तो मैं quality of life word को ढूंढ रहा हूँ. Quality of life. Evidence suggests that enhance the residents' quality of life. So here is my line. Quality of life को enhance करता है to meet the needs of the residents. To meet the needs of the resident, it is given in the previous line. To meet the needs of the resident, that means these two lines are different. These two lines are different. मतलब meet the needs is in the previous line, ये पहले वाले लाइन में दिया है, और ये वाला जो है enhance the resident quality of line, ये दूसरी लाइन में दिया है. यानी ये statements दो sentences को मिला के बनी है, यानी ये गलत है. This cannot be the answer because it is not matching with each other. If that would have been matching, अगर ये match कर रहा होता तो same line में होता. तो मुझे इस कारण से गड़बड़ लग रहा है. Providing an integrated team approach. So I will try to find this word. This is a very difficult question, but I will try to do it now. मैं इतना पास आ गया हूँ. तो integrated team approach. So कहीं पे integrated team approach word दिया है? Integrated team approach. No, this word is not given, I guess. Integrated team approach. Yeah. So this is given in this line. Integrated approach by addressing the problems. So this is given in a different line. Now, step one was easy. Step two was very difficult. That means this paragraph. But by chance, when I read the option, step three is very easy. That at step three, I have come to know this question is easy. मुझे कैसे पता लगा? क्योंकि देखो integrated team approach is given in a different line and addressing the problems is given in a different line. So that means they have mismatched the option. In the same way, enhancing the residents quality of line is given in this line and meet the needs of the residents is given in a different line. That means this person was trying to play up, and if I use the elimination method easily, that means this line matches with this line and this line matches with this line. तो उसने उल्टा दिया हुआ है ताकि आप easily से eliminate कर सको. So again, the best method of OET is elimination method. So you will eliminate these two options and this will become your answer. So in the exam, how much time would it take? It will take approximately 1 minute 30 seconds. Though I have taken more to make you understand, but in the exam, if I tell you, my speed would be this way. The extract informs that multidisciplinary care is, so I will try to find the definition. Then I will go here, given the complex need, multiplicity, this, then I understood this is very difficult. So I will read it easily, just will take, maximum 30 seconds. I will better read the options. Easy to tackle the increasing complexness. So I will meet with this. I will say it is complete and incomplete, so can be right and wrong. Then I will go to the second option, enhancing the resident quality of life. Then I will try to find this word, enhancing the quality of life. That is fine. Then I will say to meet the needs of resident. Then in this line I will say there is no meet of the oh, this is given in different line. So that means these two lines have been put together. That means it cannot be right. इन दोनों को अगर लिखना था तो एक ही लाइन में होना चाहिए था. तो ये दोनों जब एक ही लाइन में नहीं है, ये गलत है. In exam I would be that fast. Providing an integrated team approach. So I will go to providing an integrated team approach. So I come to know that okay, integrated team approach I could find here. And then the second thing is by addressing the problems, but this is given again in a different line, addressing the problems. So it is given in this line. That means again it is a mismatch between the two lines. So again it is wrong. So in the exam I will not waste more than this time because I know it is a very difficult question. It is a very difficult. तो मेरे को साफ साफ एक ही रीजन दिख रहा है कि ये उल्टा पुल्टा दे रखा है. तो मैं इस क्वेश्चन को दोबारा रीड नहीं करूंगा. पेपर में मैं इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे बोलूंगा, ये क्वेश्चन डिफिकल्ट है, दिस क्वेश्चन इज डिफिकल्ट, इट कैन बी राइट एंड रॉन्ग, but I will not see this question again. So I will try to save my time. This question is done. Whether it is right or wrong, I don't care because this is a difficult question. I have done my best that they were not matching. So I have eliminated these two options. So the third has become my answer. So I will unmute you guys to ask you if you have understood and what is the answer of this question. So can you please let me know? I have unmuted your microphones. What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Answer is A. है ना. तो मतलब कहने का मतलब है प्लीज, आई नो पेपर में टाइम कम होगा लेकिन ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन था. पेपर में ऐसे क्वेश्चन को आप फर्स्ट राउंड में छोड़ सकते हो, लेकिन स्टेप 1 इज रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन, स्टेप 2 इज रीडिंग द पैराग्राफ. पैराग्राफ वाज डिफिकल्ट सो आई वेंट ऑन फास्ट कि हाँ 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 हाँ. देन स्टेप 3 I understood that this line has been given over here. Essential word is given as required. Essential का मतलब होता है necessary, necessary का मतलब होता है requirement. So that is why it says multidisciplinary approach is required. Yani multidisciplinary approach is essential to tackle the increasing complexes. That was given. And these two sentences were not matching. They were given ulta pulta, zigzag. So I don't want this zigzag, and question is very difficult. So in exam, I will make a guesswork straight away that this can be my answer, and I will go jump onto the question number 2. So I would like to do two questions together so that you can understand in the exam how fast you will go. So let us take the second paragraph as well. What is being described in this section of the guidelines? So what is being described? So that means it is asking about section of the guidelines में क्या describe किया है. So protected health information. So let's see. Employees access our office via main entrance or the employee entrance. Main entrance is locked after hours and is unlocked each morning at 8. So basically they are telling how the employees can come to the office. They can come to the office by main entrance. Main entrance is locked after the hours and is unlocked every morning at 8. जैसे ऑफिस में होता है, रात को बंद हो जाते हैं, सुबह खुलते हैं. द ऑफिस, मैम प्लीज साइलेंट कर देना अपने माइक्रोफोन्स. द ऑफिस मैनेजर हैज द की टू बोथ एंट्रेंसेस. वही मैनेजर के पास दोनों चाबी होती हैं. एंड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर अनलॉकिंग द मेन एंट्रेंस एट ईच AM. यानी सुबह आके मैनेजर ताला खोलता है. एम्प्लॉई एंट्रेंस इज एक्सेस्ड ओनली वाया की. तो एम्प्लॉई सिर्फ चाबी से आ सकता है. एम्प्लॉइज और सर्विस पर्सनल में गेन एंट्रेंस थ्रू द एम्प्लॉई एंट्रेंस बाय नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर. तो एम्प्लॉइज और जो सर्विस पर्सनल हैं वो एंट्रेंस के थ्रू नहीं आ सकते क्योंकि वहाँ वो मेन चाबी मैनेजर के पास होती है. और इसके अलावा एम्प्लॉई एंट्रेंस जो होती है वो अपनी चाबी से खुलती है. लेकिन अगर एम्प्लॉइज को मेन एंट्रेंस से आना है, में आ सकते हैं वहां से बाय नॉकिंग ऑन द डोर. तो मैनेजर ही खोलेगा मेन एंट्रेंस को. ऑल द पेशेंट्स प्रोटेक्टेड हेल्थ इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डलेस ऑफ इट्स फॉर्म, mechanism of transfer or storage is to be kept confidential. So everything has to be kept confidential. Only individuals with the business need to know are need to know are allowed to view, read or discuss any part of patient's PHI. So that means patient की personal information is kept confidential. Only जिनको जरूरत है वो पढ़ सकते हैं. An employee who violates this confidentiality policies will be subject to sanction up immediate termination. अगर कोई भी violate करता है तो immediately निकाल दिया जाएगा, would be terminated. All the employees are required to verify in writing that they have read and will comply with our policy regarding the confidentiality of the all forms of PHI. So this line has changed everything for me. So basically what I can understand from this line, इस line से मुझे ये समझ आता है कि ये information कुछ ऐसा दे रहा है कि employees को बता रहा है कि आपको क्या क्या follow करना है protocol में. Employees को बता रहा है कि आपको protocol को follow करना है. आपको मेन एंट्रेंस की चाबी यहाँ हमेशा मैनेजर के पास होती है. अगर आपको एंटर करना है तो दरवाजा खटखटा के आना है. कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन को छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी है. अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन के साथ छेड़छाड़ करते हो तो यू वुड बी चक्ड आउट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑल द एम्प्लॉइज आर रिक्वायर्ड टू वेरीफाई इन द राइटिंग. सबको ये लिख के देना है that they have read and will comply with our policy regarding the confidentiality of all forms of PHI. तो ऐसा लग रहा है ये जो लेटर है PHI ने दिया है एम्प्लॉइज को जानने के लिए, एक्नॉलेज करने के लिए. Employees whose job functions require access to our computer system will be given a secure, unique password to access the system. So overall, this is an explanation to an employee. Again, this is an explanation to an employee. Employee को एक explanation दी जा रही है about PHI. कि भाई PHI में मतलब जहाँ पे पेशेंट के रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, that how to take care of these records and how to come and go. So let us see what is being described. So let us go to the answers. So the answer, if I elimination method again, what is being described in the section of guidelines? Changes in protocols, there is no change. That is being best practice. Yes, it is like a best practice. Exception to the protocols, no, this does not seem like exception. The answer should be B. What is the answer? Can you tell me, please? I'm doing it in a hurry.
B, sir.
Sir, B.
है ना? So again, obviously I can read from the, so this question, first question was difficult, but was done with ease by on the step third. In this question, step 1 was easy, reading the question was easy. Step 2 was easy, reading the paragraph was easy. To relate with the option, that is step 3, was also easy. So these are the 3 major steps to execute multiple choice question of part B and C of OET, and elimination method is the best. This is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our contact number is +917696734256. Again, the most important part of part B and C in OET reading is, elimination method. There were no changes done, there were no exceptions done. So it was telling about best practice. So that is why I did this question. So I'm muting the I'm unmuting you. You are already unmuted, so I'm just stopping the recording so that recording does not become too big.